Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Zelle's request money feature. So if you're wondering how to do that, this video is for you. And the first thing you're going to do is, for sending a request, what you got to do is to log on to your Zelle's account by the mobile app or the website, and then you want to choose the person or business you want to request money from. Then you got to enter the amount that you are requesting, and then of course you can choose to add a note, so that way you can explain what the payment is for. And then you just got to review the request details and confirm that you want to send the request. Now, for requesting money from multiple people, what you got to do is first select multiple recipients or businesses that you want to request the money from. Then you got to enter the amount for each recipient, and after that you just gotta you could add a personal note, but this is optional. But it'd be nice to have that to let them know what you're requesting the payment for, and then of course just review the request details and confirm that you want to send the request. Now, for requesting money from a business, what you got to do is to first go ahead and search for the business that you want to request money from. Then you want to select the business by choosing the business from the search results. Then just enter the amount of money you're requesting, and of course it's optional, but you could add a note to explain what the payment is for. Then just review and confirm the request. That's pretty much it on how to request payments. So thank you guys for watching the video. If you liked it, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends, and of course subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, because we appreciate that a lot. And please make sure to ring the notification bell if you haven't done so already, so you never miss another one of our awesome videos in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.